So back here in this area, got a lot of weeds growing, a lot of stuff growing back here. And what I'd like to do is right here in this area, where you can see where I've been putting stuff down here. And that's from pushing the mower over this, having it get up in the bag on the back of the mower, and then dumping the bag here, kind of like I did in these 3 spots. And this is from a previous mowing. So the purpose of this and what my goal is with this is I want to take all the organic matter that I can mow and get up and put in this area, and I want to create layers. And that layers is going to be organic material that's just going to sit there and decompose. And as it decomposes, it becomes what? All that dirt and everything underneath it, and all the organic material on top becomes a really, really good garden spot. So as I keep doing this, and as I keep mowing, as time goes on, I keep adding to it and adding to it and adding to it, it becomes a nice loamy soil. Probably not going to till it at all. I think I'm just going to do the layers and use it as a mulch to keep down the grass and the weeds from underneath. And I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm gonna leave a walking path here, but I'm gonna do it from about here all the way down. Let me do the steps on how far I'm gonna do it with my big old feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so I don't know. That's like 14. Well, each one of my steps is kind of like 3 of my feet together. So I'm going to say 3 feet by 14. So 3 times 14, however long that is. And then from this corner here, I'm going to do one. I'm going to do it with my feet things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Back up that way towards the horse barn. I'll be cleaning all of it up, kind of making it look a little nicer and everything as I do this. And part of my purpose of coming out here and doing this is to, of course, mow, clean it up, make it look nice, but at the same time, build this area up, build the soil up here with organic, rotting, decomposing material to put in a nice garden. So this will be another one of my garden spots. And it's slow going, of course, but it's one of those long-term things I got to do. As I mow and as I clean things up, that I'll be getting the limbs off that tree that got knocked down during the storm, and a lot of those leaves will come in here. Some of these limbs might come in here, or maybe I'll just burn the limbs and use the ashes as fertilizer in the gardens. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I got a nice little fire pit I'll do that in. But that's the goal. That's kind of what I've been working on, off and on. Little bits here and there. Whenever I decide to really knock it out and get busy on it, then I'll be going around the whole property back here, looking for leaves, other organic material, maybe some good spots where there's been some good soil buildup. You know, move some of that up here, fill in, and create a nice, nice loamy, good soil garden spot, and start growing. I don't know. My first thought was potatoes, and then I thought, no, sweet potatoes. And then I thought, no, how about, I don't know, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I'll be having eventually, another really good garden spot. Sun's getting ready to go down. So I'm going to push the mower a little bit more and then put it up and then go in and take a shower and be done for the day. I'll be getting up early in the morning and getting back at it, doing more videos, doing more work around the mini farm, the homestead. We got chickens, we got ducks, we got baby chickies. We don't have the dog anymore. Dog's relocated elsewhere. But we still have cats. We got 3, and then we have 2 more that are coming around from elsewhere, from our neighbors. And I do eventually plan on getting sheep, but we got some fence work to do. So, wish me luck on my gardens. Wish me luck on my little mini farm homestead here. And wish me luck on life in general. Make sure to subscribe, make a comment, all that good stuff, because, you know, I know you guys out there, you got a lot to say. You got a lot of knowledge, you got a lot of ideas, you got all kinds of experience that you could share, not just with me, but, you know, with others that come in and read the comments and all that. So make sure you do all that and then come on back and watch my next video. Talk to you later.